Welcome to the end of the week 7 here at home, and hopefully you're getting plenty of time outside in the fresh air, because if you're not, then you're going crazy. And I'm actually going crazy, and I'm getting plenty of fresh air. So in addition to doing this 1 hour workout that will be tomorrow on Zoom at 9 a.m., or you can watch a recorded version of that, which will be up on a link on the website probably by like noon on Friday. The fun thing about this is that we are going to work on power snatch. For those of you that have a barbell, great. That's going to work best. But if you don't, if you have just a dumbbell, then we'll make that work as well. If you've got a box, definitely works better than doing the broad jumps, but we can also do something called a depth jump, which I'll cover in just a minute. But what you'll do is every 2 minutes, you'll get in 3 hang power snatches and 5 box jumps. The loading eventually should be heavy and the height should be high. So this is not a light and fast, skip, hop, and jump kind of workout. It is 3 heavy lifts, 5 big box jumps. And if you don't have heavy or high, I can give you some hints on what to do. We'll hopefully follow this up with about 20 minutes of mobility work. So if you do have a lacrosse ball and a foam roller, then bring that out. I know we've had probably 6 or 7 purchases of Theragun or Hypervolt percussion instruments. And I'm not thinking about drums, I'm talking about the kind that smack you like this. So after we get in some skill work on PVC pipe and the barbell, the idea tomorrow is once the clock starts, it's 3, 2, 1, and it's not for time, so you'll deadlift, and you'll get in a hang, power snatch, and go for 3 of these, right? You'll put it down, you'll move over, and you'll get in 5 box jumps. The box jump should be high enough that every single jump gets your attention. 10 rounds of this. With each round, you're going to add a little bit more weight, and I know you don't have change plates, you don't have bumper plates in small increments that you can gradually bump up. Do the best you can. The thing that you're going to post is the heaviest load, or I should say the number of sets at heaviest load and highest height. So if I get the final 5 rounds, I get 50 kilos for every single one of the snatches and 36-inch box jumps. For every single one of the boxes, I'm going to say I got 5 sets at 50 kilograms and 36 inches. If I continue to work up and up and up, and I just got the last 2 sets at 55 kilograms and 38 inches, then that's the one that I would write up there. So the goal is show me how heavy you got, show me how high you got, and how many sets you got there. Some of you don't have enough weight, so you're gonna only get, maybe you'll get 8, maybe you'll get all 10 sets at a lighter weight and a box jump at a lower height, but that you're adding volume instead of loading. I prefer you to add some loading to this. Now, if all I have is a dumbbell, pretending like this is a dumbbell because I don't have one right here, you're gonna deadlift that up to the top. You're gonna get 3 hang power snatches on the left, 3 on the right, so that's different, right? Because it's not as heavy. You're gonna add a little more volume. You're gonna get 6 hang dumbbell power snatches on both sides, 3 and 3, and then you'll move over to the box jump. If you don't have a box, then you're going to be doing max effort standing broad jumps. So, and then turn around and go again. So you're going to get 5 of those. It's a forceful jump and land. You won't be doing this on a box that's this high, but if you have a box that's not super high, you'll gradually warm up and end up getting a couple of broad jumps and then a couple of depth jumps. So it's lowering from the box by jumping off of it and landing in a squat. You can probably tell how that That's a little forceful on the body, so I don't want you to do 50 of those. I want you to do a maximum of 15 or 20. So you can incorporate those with your broad jumps and maybe your lower box jumps. But the whole idea is a stimulus of a big jump with a barbell and a big jump onto a box. Please bring along a foam roller, a lacrosse ball, or your percussion gun so that you can get some mobility work in the glutes and the hips and a little bit of the shoulders as well when we finish up. That'll be a coach-led activity after this 20 minutes of work. So basically about 20 minutes of warm-up and skill work on the bar, 20 minutes actually doing the every other minute. So the clock will start, 3 reps, 5 reps, and you'll wait probably for about a minute in between each round. And at the 2-minute mark, at 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, you'll start a new round. That would be 10 rounds, or I call it 10 sets because it's not for time. All right?